When you fast intermittently, your body goes through a series of changes as it adapts to the absence of food. Here's a breakdown of what happens. Lowered blood sugar and insulin levels, 0 to 4 hours after eating. Energy source. Your body uses glucose from your last meal for energy. Insulin levels drop. Without new food intake, insulin levels start to decrease, signaling the body to shift to stored energy. Switch to fat burning, 4 to 12 hours of fasting. Glycogen stores deplete. Your body uses glycogen or stored sugar in the liver and muscles for energy. Lipolysis begins. Once glycogen is depleted, fat stores are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol for energy. Ketone production. The liver begins converting fatty acids into ketones, an efficient energy source for the brain and muscles. Cellular cleanup and repair, autophagy, 12 to 24 hours of fasting. Autophagy activates. Your body starts breaking down and recycling damaged cells and proteins, reducing inflammation and repairing tissues. Growth hormone increases. Fasting boosts growth hormone production, supporting fat burning and muscle preservation. Improved insulin sensitivity. The cells become more responsive to insulin, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Peak fat burning and ketosis. Within 24 to 48 hours of fasting. At this stage, ketosis deepens. Your body relies heavily on fat stores, producing ketones for energy, especially for the brain. This process also reduces inflammation, lowering inflammatory markers, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, ketones provide a steady energy source for the brain, enhancing cognitive function, improving focus, and mental clarity. Stem cell activation and regeneration after 48 hours of fasting. Longer fasting periods can stimulate stem cell production, which supports tissue repair and regeneration. Furthermore, fasting can reset and strengthen the immune system by breaking down old immune cells and regenerating new ones. Key hormonal and cellular changes. Insulin decreases, promoting fat burning. Meanwhile, glucagon increases, encouraging the breakdown of fat stores. Growth hormone spikes, aiding in repair and fat metabolism. And autophagy clears out cellular waste, protecting against aging and disease. Why it matters. These processes collectively support better metabolic health, fat loss, reduced inflammation, and cellular rejuvenation. It's like giving your body a spring cleaning to optimize its functions. There you have it. Your body was never meant to constantly eat food. Your body needs time to heal instead of digesting food. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.